Hello today I have a portable air compressor. This model is C1399, although it has a different branding. It's for budding out. It's made in China. All these air compressors that you can plug in your car are made in China. They come in different brandings. This one has an analog meter. We're going to explain that later on. So here it says that the model is A779. Has the input voltage is 12 volts from your car. Line length is 2.8 meters. Auto shut off. I don't think that has. If we have the analog model here, probably not. As you can see here, there's also a digital model. So let's open up this box to see what's in the box. This was in the box. The air compressor, the 2.8 meter cable, which is detachable. It can go to your car lighter adapter. And also have some adapters here if you want to pump a basketball or some kind of ball. You need this adapter. Some other adapters if you want to pump water mattresses or stuff like that. So it's made from plastic. It has an analog display, and I chose the analog display. Although it comes with digital display as well, which you can program it to pump, let's say, up to 34 psi. And the problem with that is I'm afraid that perhaps it's more likely that this will break up at some time, where the analog display probably will last you more. Anyway, it has this cable here which you can attach to your car wheels. It has an on and off button, which is a good thing to have because these things tend to heat up. It has this knob here which goes up and down. Probably it's for the light. I believe there's some light here. Yeah, you can use it as a lighter as well, as a light. As well. It says that here it goes to 150 psi or 10 bar. So it's quite enough. It has some plastic legs down here. Now this cable is not that far. It's okay, you can have the 2.8 meter cable. You probably reach all your tires. But this cable, if your tire is the valve is in the upper side of the tire, perhaps this thing will just hang up in the air. So yeah, let's. It has a handle as well, which is good to have. But I suggest that you put it in the trunk of your car with this box, so you don't lose all these cables and the adapters. It also comes with instructions, and let's go check it out. I'm going to try to put some air in my tire scars. We'll check it out.